Good morning students, how are you all? Myself Sunita Pandya, your English teacher, welcomes you in our new online session, that is 2021-22. Students, let's begin our English course. But first of all, I would like to ask some questions from you. Do you like homework? Do it. Do you do it yourself, or you take homework of your parents or your siblings? So here is the story of a boy, Patrick, who did not like homework at all. So this is our first chapter from your English Reader Unit 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework. So this is the story about a boy almost of your age who did not like homework at all. He always said, too boring, I don't like homework, I don't like to do homework at all. Instead of studying, what he did, he likes to play hockey, basketball and Nintendo. So what is the meaning of Nintendo? Nintendo means a video game. Nowadays, as you are at home because of this virus, so most of the complaints are coming from the parent side that students are their children are playing games only. So the Patrick also like to play Nintendo, a video game. One day what happened, he was sitting in a room. So what he saw his pet cat playing with a small doll. So when minutely he saw, actually it was not a doll, it was a tiny man. So he grabbed that doll, that man from the cat, and he saw that it was not a doll, it was a tiny man with tiniest size. And what he wore? He wore a witch's hat, which means, what is the meaning of witch? Witch means चुड़ैल जो होती है ना. So witch's hat, small breeches. What is the meaning of breeches? Breeches means short trousers. Short trousers he wore and a woolen shirt. That tiny man, when he saw Patrick, he yelled, he cried, he shouted, "Save me, don't give me back to that cat. If you will not give me to that cat, I will complete your one wish." So Patrick was very happy. Why? Because he did not like homework, so he was very happy. He thought कि now it is a good time to say that this tiny man, this elf, tiny man, elf, a small man, elf. He thought that this elf will help me to doing this, to do my homework. So he said to that elf कि if I will save you from this cat, can you grant me a wish? So that elf said yes. So then Patrick said कि okay, so you have to do my homework till first semester complete, and first semester was of 35 days. Okay, till 35 days you have to do my homework, all homework you have to do, that is first semester, and so that I can get A plus. That F was he was getting angry. Why? He shrieked, he cried, he grimaced. What is the meaning of grimace? Angerness, emotions of angerness. So he was grimaced, but there was no option to him. So he said, yes, okay, I will do it. I will do your homework. And afterwards, true to his word, F started doing his homework, Patrick's homework. But what happened? There was a glitch. So what is the meaning of glitch? Glitch means problem. So problem was created. F did not know anything about his study. So he shrieked, he cried always at the whenever he started doing homework of Patrick, he started crying. I don't know what is the word, what is the meaning of this word. You just get me a dictionary. Instead of getting me dictionary, he said to Patrick, you find out the word and tell me what is the meaning of this word. Always, whenever they started homework, Elf always started crying and yelled, and he said to Patrick to do this work, to show me how to do this work. So always he said like that. Now when it came to maths, so maths troubled him so much. He always shouted, what is timetable? Else never did it. Else never knows tables. Else never, they don't know what is timetable. They don't need, else never need these timetables. And when the question was arises about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, he always said that I don't know addition, multiplication, subtraction and division. You just tell me how to do, only then I will do your homework. He was a nag person now. What is the meaning of nag? Nag means those who complain always. Okay, this is not good, this is not good. So he was now a nag person for Patrick. He was louder and shouter. I don't know this chapter. Give me books. Go to the library and bring books and read it, and then tell me how I can do this work. So now for the Patrick, he was become a nag person. Now, at the matter of fact, now Patrick became a problematic. As the matter of fact, now Elf became a problematic person for Patrick. He always shouted, I don't know this thing, I don't know this thing. You just go and bring books and do it so that I can understand, and then I will do it. Now Patrick was doing hard work. He woke up at nights. He was staying up nights, did his homework, and he in the morning he was his eyes was puffed and blurry. Okay, puffed and blurry because he was not sleeping at the night. He was doing his homework. So Patrick was feeling so weary. What is the meaning of weary? He was so tired now, and F was doing what he wanted to do. So at the end of the semester, now it was the time of end of the semester, and it was the time of result. When Elf saw that now it is the end of the semester and this is the time to go, so he was secretly went. Now it is the time of result. When Patrick saw his result, his parents, his teachers, his all friends were amazed. Why? Because Patrick got A grade in all the subjects. They were amazed. Patrick was now a good boy. He became a good boy. He do all his work himself now. All the chores, all the homework, study, reading. So he was now a fabulous boy and intelligent boy. He became. So when his parents saw, his friends saw, his teachers saw, they were very happy and they were amazed also. So now Patrick became a good and intelligent boy. And do you know, student, there is a secret between me and you. What is the secret? Patrick, even he thought that all the homework was done by the elf. But you know one secret? It was not that elf who was doing his homework. It was Patrick who was doing his own homework. So keep mum. Don't share the secret with others. So students, what do you understand from this chapter? Who did Patrick's homework? What is the moral of this story? So the moral of the story, students' work is to study, keep studying. Okay? You can play, you can enjoy yourself, but the motto of your life at this time when you are student, you have to keep studying. Concentrate in your studies. Okay student, so just go through this chapter, read it properly and write these hard words in your notebook and just go through this story. Thank you and have a nice day.